Hello there, and welcome to quarter four, week one of our ELA class. I hope that each of you have had a really fabulous spring break and that you're ready to get back into school and finish up this school year strong. So I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently this quarter. I hope that it will make things easier and smoother for you. I've learned a lot of things during this time, and I'm hoping that I can put these things in practice so that we can all have a really smooth and successful quarter four. So I will be posting a video at the beginning of every week with an overview of what that week is going to be about. So this is our first week one overview. This will be the week of Monday, April 13th through the 16th. So let's take a look at what we're going to be doing this week in ELA. First of all, we are going to be focusing most of our work this quarter on the novel The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton. And while we won't be actually reading the novel this week yet, we will be preparing for it in some of the activities that we do. So as we normally would do in class, let's take a look at the primary standards that we will be using throughout this unit. So as you take a look at the screen with me, you can see that we are going to be focusing on citing textual evidence that supports your analysis of a text. In this case, the text will be The Outsiders. We will be determining a theme and analyzing what that theme is and how it is developed throughout the novel in the relationship to characters, setting, and plot. We will also produce clear and coherent writing in a variety of ways that are developed, that are organized, and that are style specific to the task and purpose and audience of each individual assignment. So let's take a look at our assignments for this week, quarter four, week one assignments. First of all, I will be posting your assignments, all of the assignments except for one, at 8 a.m. on Monday, April 13th. All of your assignments will be due on Thursday, April 16th at 2:30 p.m. And your assignments will be submitted through Google Classroom unless otherwise indicated. And my hope is that by just providing you with the week's work, you can work at a pace that is appropriate and comfortable for you. I know some of you like to get things done really quickly. Some of you like to pace yourself. I just want this to be as comfortable for you as I can make it. So this week we have 4 primary assignments that we will be completing. You will be completing a quarter four journal number 1, and we'll be journaling probably at least once a week. You will also do a tell the story number 1, and we'll be trying to incorporate those into our weekly assignments as well. Our main assignment for this week, and the one that really is the biggest tie-in to our novel, The Outsiders, is that you will be analyzing a poem called We Real Cool by the African-American poet Gwendolyn Brooks. And we'll take a look at that in just a second. And then your final assignment for the week, and the one that I will post later in the week, I will not post this one straight away, will be your Joy Jar submission. And I'm going to try to come up with different ways to use our Joy Jar, but congratulations to those of you who received extra credit for listening to our Joy Jar shout outs at the end of quarter 3. I'm going to try to do some more fun things to keep us engaged. And if you have suggestions about what I could do, I'm super open to that. So let's take a look at your assignment for We Real Cool. Oops, sorry. Let me get this moved over. I appreciate your patience. Okay. So we're going to be taking a look at the poem We Real Cool by Gwendolyn Brooks. You can see a little bit of the assignment here, but as I scroll down, you can see this poem is only 10 lines long. So it seems like, oh, that's going to be super easy, right? But you know, poetry sometimes tries to stretch our mind and make us think of things in a new way. Because it is a poem and it is so short, we will not be annotating this week. However, we will continue on with the guiding questions and the assessment questions as we normally do, including a final writing prompt at the end in which you will be using your tag format that we are getting better at: title, author, genre, followed by a summary, and then you will start making your claims and citing your evidence. So let's get back to our slide here. And again, thank you for your patience because I'm not quite a professional YouTuber yet. Okay, so having taken a look a little bit at our assignments, I just want to remind you that it's really important that you stay informed. So many of you have questions that are answered in our Google Classroom, and I try to keep you as updated on everything as I can. So please make sure that you are checking it regularly, checking the stream for anything that I've added or comments that I've made, and of course, checking our classroom for the assignments. All of the assignments will be posted, as I stated earlier, at 8 a.m. on Monday, April 13th. And finally, just some final thoughts. I just really want you to start off strong. I know that we were taken off guard by this whole virtual school situation, and we kind of, all of us were struggling in the beginning. I hope that you're feeling stronger and more comfortable with this format. I know that I'm getting more comfortable with it too, and hopefully that is making things better for you. So start off strong. It's so easy to get behind and it's so hard to catch up when you do. Stay in touch. Show up to our sessions so you can ask questions or just pop in and say hi. Keep in contact with me as you have questions arrive. You're not in this alone. And I know that these are unusual times, times that you will tell future generations about, but I just want you to know we can do this. I'm so proud of the success that we had third quarter, and I'm really looking forward to even more success fourth quarter. So here's wishing you a fabulous week 1 of quarter 3. You know you'll be hearing from me again soon, but until then, have a great day and a great week. Bye.